evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Attitude Amway Glad Rags Mega Model Manhunt reality series. I'm Maureen Wadia. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this prestigious pageant. This is the contest where stars are born and model legends are made. The Mumbai auditions have been done. Now, let's head to Delhi and see what North India has in store.
मैं ही नंबर 1 आऊंगा यहाँ पे।
मुझे लगता है मैं वहाँ पर खड़े होके जजेस को इम्प्रेस कर सकती हूँ। फैक्टर।
Welcome guys once again on Attitude Amway Glad Rags Mega Model and Manhunt reality series only on Channel V. हम आ गए हैं दिल्ली ऑडिशंस में और दिल्ली में हम ऑडिशन कर रहे हैं होटल रुजेंटा एंड कन्वेंशन सेंटर में। चलिए इनसे बात करते हैं और पूछते हैं कि आर दे नर्वस और दे नॉट। आपका नाम क्या है?
अजय।
अजय बताइए कि कैसा लग रहा है?
Enthusiasm है, सब कुछ fantastic है, everything is going fabulous।
आप बताइए कि आपका नाम? मेरा नाम राहुल। I'm very excited। आप में से कोई गाना गाता है? कोई भी एक गाना गाइए। Come on।
चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब ऐसा मैंने सोचा था तुम बिल्कुल ऐसी हो ऐसा मैंने सोचा था। Thank you।
जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ जो एक्साइटमेंट है वो मुंबई से तो बहुत ज्यादा है बॉस। तो अब बिल्कुल भी समय जाया नहीं करते और शुरू करते हैं दिल्ली ऑडिशंस।
Attitude Amway Glad Rags Mega Model and Manhunt reality series audition, North India. I would like to introduce our judge for the Delhi auditions. This is Mrs. Shivani Wazir Pasrich. She is a very busy theatre and an event lady. Selection, you know you're in for a ride. One by one, would you step forward, introduce yourselves?
Good evening, judges. My name is Meenakshi Chand. I'm a postgrad student. I aspire to be a Glad Rags model.
This is Urvashi. I'm from Delhi and I'm a dentist. I was always fascinated by the glamour and the modeling world.
My name is Lalit Chaudhary and I'm from Jaipur.
I'm Deepak Kumar from New Delhi. I'm 24 years old.
I'm Louis. I'm from Dehradun.
This is Gautam Anand. I'm from Delhi.
Tell us about Delhi.
Food of Delhi is really good.
My name is Meena Singh. I'm a fashion designer by profession. I'm from Delhi and I love sketching, dancing and singing.
My name is Nishita and I'm a supply chain manager by profession. It was my father who asked me to participate in it.
I'm from Chandigarh. I'm a chef by profession.
My name is Sunny Grover and I'm from Punjab.
My name is Ravi Avana and I'm from Noida.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Neelam. I'm a graduate from University of Delhi.
And tell us, why were you named Twinkle?
मैम जो मेरी लाइफ है मैं उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा स्टार बनना चाहती हूँ।
मेरा नाम पुनीत कत्याल है और मैं सोनीपत का रहने वाला हूँ जो कि एक हरियाणा का शहर है।
मेरा नाम पंकज है, मैं हरियाणा से हूँ और मेरी उम्र 23 है।
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This is Alicia, pursuing BA first year in English Honours.
How did you decide that you wanted to be a model and take part in the competition?
Because I always wanted to be a model.
By profession, I'm yoga therapist. It's actually in my family. Like I'm the 6th generation into yoga and Ayurveda, so I can say that I'm a born yogini.
My name is Vinay Chahal. I'm from Delhi.
मेरा नाम अरमान है और मैं चंडीगढ़ से हूँ. My age is 24 years old.
My name is Jaspal Singh. मैं फिरोजपुर का रहने वाला हूँ. Currently मैं मास्टर इन थिएटर कर रहा हूँ.
My name is Mayank Sehgal. I'm from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm pursuing my MBA.
Hi, I'm Rini and I'm from Delhi. Recently won 2 reality shows, one for Channel V.
This is Himanshi Singh, stands 5 feet 6 inches. I belong to the very beautiful and symbol of love, the city of Taj, Agra. I'm working as a marketing manager in Delhi only.
My name is Ali from Kanpur. I'm here to be the part of Mr. Glad Rags. It's like a dream come true for me.
Hi, my name is Varun Verma. I'm currently doing my BCA.
My name is Rohan Rai. I'm 22 years of age. And I'm from Nagpur.
My name is Abhishek and I'm from Kolkata.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Shivani Gupta from Chandigarh. So I'm residing in Noida.
I'm a very passionate and a fun-loving girl. If I have to describe myself in one word, that will be perseverant.
I'm Kirandeep Kaur Bedi, hailing from Chandigarh, the city beautiful. I belong from a defense background and my aim in life is to become a very successful and a supermodel.
This is Imtiaz Ansari from Kolkata.
इम्तियाज, अगर कपड़ों का दाम इतना भारी ना होता तो क्या आप हाई नेक शर्ट पहन लेते?
मैं वो तो डिपेंड करता है अपने बजट पे कि हमारे पास बजट कितना है. जिस हिसाब से बजट हो आपकी, डेफिनेटली आप ड्रेस भी उसी हिसाब से सेलेक्ट करते हो.
I am Atul Verma. I'm from Delhi. Professionally, I'm an engineer.
Hello, I'm Saadat Mufti. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir.
And now Shivani and I will have to do the shortlisting. And unfortunately, somebody has got to reject because there are too many girls and too many guys, but it begins.
Let's move to the tough part.
Yes. Okay, ladies, unfortunately, not everyone is a winner. But I'm glad that you all have tried your luck. So Shivani and I have done our judgments and we will be giving you the results. All right? Will the first girl please step forward? How are you feeling?
Oh, nervous.
You're a pretty girl and you're a little short. Not sure whether this combination works for modeling because, you know, it's a little difficult. So we've both given it some thought and we decided that you're in.
Gladrags Mega Models.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Urvashi, Maureen and I, we really discussed your case at length. We thought you have the potential to be like a Deepti Naval in the future, maybe an actress of character or a model of class. But at the same time, you've got these perfect teeth which remind us you're a dentist going away from the dental profession. So we had to consider whether it was a good thing or not. We decided that you're in.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi, how are you feeling?
Nervous.
Nervous? How nervous?
My heart is beating. I don't know what to speak. I'm really speechless.
Well, we don't have any doctors on hand, so I better give you a card fast. Well, you're tall. You're handsome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you handsome enough to be in the manhunt?
Sure, ma'am.
I don't know. We had our doubts. I think you've got what it takes, but I don't think you can go the whole 900 yards.
But you know, Maureen, he's got such an expressive face because when you say yeah, he goes, and you say no, he goes. So I think that kind of expression deserves.
Yes! Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Well, Deepak, again, you're tall. You know, sitting there, I just keep looking at the forms and thinking you're making up these heights. But standing here, Maureen, it's true, huh?
They are tall. They are tall.
And you have a tall mantle to carry forward over the next month. Enjoy your training session.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm going on a manhunt.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Strong looking guy with his swept away hairdo, which is definitely the fashion.
But he's not swept away. He's very stable. He's with his family. He's got his work. He's a software engineer. Everything's sorted. Yes. And we're not going to upset your apple cart.
I think you should continue the way you are because I think he's in the right direction. So for manhunt, it's a no. Thank you. Good luck.
No problem. Thank you so much.
But
Nice
you do
meeting
look
you
a
guys.
perfect model without being in the manhunt. The first Sardar I've met whose turban is not matching his shirt. It's a pink, but it's not the exact shade.
And not to forget the talent. We really enjoyed your composition. I think Bulla ki jana main kaun. You'll be the next Rabbi, but I'm not certain that you'll be the next model. That would be a shame to your composing talent.
And I think that you should remain a composer because you really can't make it here.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Better luck next time.
Alicia, you're from Chandigarh, and I believe it's a beautiful city with lots of things to do. So, would it be okay if we said, enjoy Chandigarh? Thank you so much for being part of this process so far.
Thank you and goodbye. How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Okay. A couple of things have to change drastically in your life ahead. So I think you'll need to go back home. I think you'll need to work on at least that part of you. And when you come to Bombay, I'll work on the rest.
Well, Nishita, we thought that your parents have had great faith in you, but faith doesn't make everything work. It's a large part. You've got the height, you're slim, you've got beautiful hair.
Thank you.
And you're grinning as if you're in. So I think we can't disappoint her.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I think I'm very nervous.
I think you get cold feet easily. And the thing about modeling is that you can always try again, but today it's the end of the road. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Hi, good evening, ma'am.
Hi, how are you feeling?
Don't ask. Very, very tense.
Well, as you said earlier, perseverance pays. So
perseverance conquers all.
I'm going on a manhunt, turn it around.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Believe it.
Can I hug you, ma'am?
Why not?
I think
Tension,
very tension, and for this is my first time. I think like.
नहीं हो तो?
तो.
Well, you're in.
I'm going on a manhunt, turn it around. Women haven't hunted, now we're hunting around. Manhunt, we all got the need.
So did you take the long cut to prepare for this?
Yes, of course.
You did?
Yeah.
And are you going to carry on like that?
Obviously.
Okay.
It means life to me, ma'am.
I'm going to take a shortcut and I'm going to say to you, it's not coming out.
It have to.
It has to?
Yeah. Yes!
Maureen?
Ma'am, that is
What
my
is
hand.
it?
That is Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You
It's
earned
been
it.
life to me, ma'am. It's been life to me. Thank you.
You earned it. Congratulations, young man. Congratulations.
Pleasure to meet you, ma'am.
Well, you've come a long way.
And you performed beautifully for all of us, and you've been on television and recognized for your talent. But I'm afraid that's the extent of recognition at this point of time on this show. And perhaps in another field, like your performance in your theatre, you might get some really wonderful recognition in the future. For now, thank you
It's
for
the
being
end
here.
of the road. Thank you. Good luck. You're watching the Glad Rags Mega Model and Manhunt reality series auditions. See you after the break.
My heart is beating on 100 speed.
Maybe I will be deserved or not.
What modeling is all about? It is all inner personality or your outer personality. Yes, they have seen the inner personality, but where's the outer one? I'm perfect for the modeling.
कॉलेज की हर पुट्ठी सीधी चीज से दूर रह और रैगिंग का शेर बन के सामना करना। जा बेटा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, रब रख।
The Body Project, Monday to Saturday 6 p.m. only on V.
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं. Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
V. by Values. Turn it on.
And cut it! I believe that every day is a test where I have to prove myself. That destiny and hard work, they go hand in hand. It doesn't matter where you come from, as long as you believe in yourself. I believe in me.
Asmi, for the woman of spirit.
Skechers, built strong.
I'm a housewife. I'm a career woman. I'm all of them. I, Mrs. Vanita Sabharwal, am Glad Rags Mrs. India 2011. And if you want to be the next Mrs. India, rush your entries to Glad Rags.
नीम ऑयल और विटामिन ई के साथ मागो ओरिजिनल नीम त्वचा को क्लीन और मॉइस्चराइज रखता है. मागो ओरिजिनल नीम.
I'm a housewife. I'm a career woman. I'm all of them. I, Mrs. Vanita Sabharwal, am Glad Rags Mrs. India 2011. And if you want to be the next Mrs. India, rush your entries to Glad Rags.
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं. Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
कुपोषण भारत छोड़ो! कुपोषण के खिलाफ जंग छिड़ चुकी है ताकि हमारे देश का भविष्य, हमारे बच्चों का भविष्य मजबूत हो सके. तो आइए मेरे साथ मिलकर कहिए, कुपोषण भारत छोड़ो!
I'm a housewife. I'm a career woman. I'm all of them. I, Mrs. Vanita Sabharwal, am Glad Rags Mrs. India 2011. And if you want to be the next Mrs. India, rush your entries to Glad Rags.
V. by Values. Turn it on.
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं. Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
Glad Rags Mega Models.
You're watching the Glad Rags Mega Model and Manhunt reality series auditions.
Mrs. Maureen Wadia made me so nervous. I was just about to cry. But when she said that yes, I am shortlisted, I was completely shocked and so excited.
बहुत डर गई थी जब मैम ने कहा कि we discussed your case at length and we are not sure we would like to drift you away from your career. So I was really shocked and I'm still trying to digest the fact that yeah, I've been shortlisted.
मैं ज़्यादा कुछ सोच नहीं रहा था. I was just like, हो गए, then it's fine. नहीं हुए तो भी इट्स फाइन.
ऐसा नहीं है, मैंने अभी ग्लैड रैग्स का राउंड कंप्लीट करा एंड आई एम शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर दैट. मैं अपने आप को एक इंटरनेशनल मॉडल की उसमें देख रही हूँ और पेरिस फैशन वीक में मैं चलना चाहती हूँ.
I got selected.
ये दिन मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहा क्योंकि मैं बॉम्बे जा रहा हूँ और ये है मेरा टिकट
बॉम्बे जाने का।
I'm very happy because I got shortlisted.
मैं यहाँ शॉर्टलिस्ट होने नहीं आया, मैं ग्लैड रैग्स जीतने आया हूँ।
मेरी खुशी का राज
पेरेंट्स के आशीर्वाद की वजह से मैं ये कार्ड मिला है और मैं ऑफ कोर्स मुझे 110% गारंटी है, 100% दूंगा तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं ग्लैड रैग्स जीतूंगा।
Twinkle, they named you appropriately because you are tiny. And I can see that you want to be a model, a burning desire. I think it's the end of the road because I definitely think you will not be a good model. So thank you and bye. Thank you. How nervous are you?
I'm very nervous.
Nervous as when you fly?
Yes, when it was my first flight, then I was very nervous. What I'm feeling right now.
You've got quite a lot of plus qualities, and I think that you can make it to Mumbai.
Thank you so much. My heart is like, I'm very happy. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Will you be smiling, assuming you don't win? Will you leave smiling with the same yogic composure that you've been brought up with?